All right, here we go. I'm trying to show you what I'm doing here. I'm subsoiling. This is the rows that I plant. I guess you can see the rows going that way if the sun ain't getting you too bad. And you see the rows this way. I can't see anything in this little itty bitty screen. This is, I'll take you off the tripod for a second and show you. This is just a great big, I don't know, it's a big foot that goes down into the ground. And it just makes the ground explode and really, I don't know, it makes the plants grow a lot better. So that's why I do it. I got it, made this thing years ago. It's just kind of heavy. Anyhow, I don't know how much that thing weighs, but I can't even, it's hard for me to just drag it. But anyhow, when you're subsoiling, some of this subsoiling comes up good, it goes down. But if that subsoiler doesn't bury itself, then it routes this stuff out like this. So I'm gonna go up and come up and down the row and see if I can't do it. These are potato rows here. Here's where it's just skimming the top of the ground. But where it goes, like if you're going along here, see all of a sudden it's different. It's all you have is the little line, and it goes down, I don't know, 2 feet or so, and breaks up the pan, hard pan I guess is what they call it. I'll put you back on a tripod. I'm going to sink that down, hope the tractor will start, and get a video going up. This is going to be what they call a short. I'm learning the rules of this. It's got to be like under 5 minutes or something, and I'm already up to 2, so here's my, there you go. See if it'll start, and I'll sink it down and see if it'll go. Sometimes it doesn't go down, sometimes it does. You would think it would go down with all this. I don't want to turn it off. I want to show.
You're running over.
I'm over 5 minutes. Uh-oh, a short plus. Where are we at? We're at 5. This might be a 6 minute. Look at this thing. It won't go down in the ground at all. That's all the further that thing's trying to bury it, and that hard pan is so hard it just won't get under it. What I'm going to have to do is change this top link here. It's as short as it'll go. There's threads, but they're hitting that. If I shorten it, it'll make that nose bury down a little further, and I think I can get below that hard pan. So that's my quick, short plus. Bye.